Traders, okay, we're looking at Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Now if you scroll through the videos that I uploaded here, you'll see this one. This is actually a screenshot of that video. If we open that up, entry point was on the 16th, and this is what I've got showing on my chart at the moment. So we've had quite a nice run from where we entered this trade up to nearly a 2R, probably just short of a 2R outcome at the moment. I'm inclined to run with this. It's bullish, we can see on this time frame, and understand, look, at some stage it could roll over, and where that occurs we don't know. But if I just grab my pencil, you know, we have these trends, we get in on the pullback, but then at some stage, you know, it'll turn around on you. So you just have to factor that into your risk management. I'm inclined to go for another buy with this. You could put your stop loss to break even if you're in this trade, so that's probably what I would do with that, or at least reduce your risk. You could pull your stop loss to, you know, under this low here, perhaps, something like that, and, you know, even take partial profits so that you've got money in the bank. That wouldn't be a bad move at all. And then I'm looking for another entry point now, based on, well, you know, if we pick up a Fibonacci, pull it from this low to high, 4-hour time frame, I'd be looking for another entry point, probably down in here, something like that. And stop loss, I would most likely go with the same level if we're pulling the other one up into here. Alright, so understand now we've closed profits, partial profits from this first trade. So this is profitable. This is pulled up now. This trade here is risk-free, given that we've taken partials, depending on how much you closed, you know, of this trade, what percentage of your position you closed. Take 50%. Why not? All right, and now we have another opportunity. You know, look, even that's a bit tight, you could pull that down a bit further. So I'm thinking another entry, and you know, my ultimate target's going to be the same. So what we're doing with this is we're building our position, keeping our stop loss under this low now, and that's a 3.4R. Yeah, I mean, if it plays out in our favor, that would be quite nice, so we'll see how we go. Alright guys, that's my take on Bitcoin. I hope you've gained something from the video. I would love you to comment, definitely share your thoughts below, and with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.